You will turn this stream of particles into a supernova by customizing the settings in the Effect Controls panel. Expand the Physics Property group in the Effect Controls panel. The explosive animation setting works fine for this project, but instead of the particles falling down, you want them to flow out in all directions. So change the gravity value to 0. Hide the Physics Property group, and then expand the Particle Property group. Then choose Faded Sphere from the Particle Type menu. Now the particles look intergalactic, but don't stop there though. Change the depth size to 1.5 and increase the size variation to 100%. This allows the particles to change birth size randomly. Reduce the max opacity to 55%, and this makes the particles semi-transparent. Click the birth color swatch, and then change the color to R255, G200, and B50. This gives the particles a yellow hue at birth. Click the death color swatch and change the color to R180, G180, and B180 to give the particles a light gray hue as they fade out. To keep the particles from staying on screen too long, decrease the longevity value to 0.8 seconds. The faded sphere particle type softens the look, but the particle shapes are still too sharply defined. You'll fix that by blurring the layer to blend the particles with one another. Hide the CC Particle Systems 2 effect properties. Choose Effect, Blur and Sharpen, Gaussian Blur. In the Gaussian Blur area of the Effect Controls panel, increase the blurriness value to 10. Then select Repeat Edge Pixels to keep the particles from being cropped at the edge of the frame.